Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning enter Google Pay and tap Get Started. Now, as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add payment method and add different types of cards. Then, if you tap here, you got access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Then, in settings you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes and offers and tips. Then you can manage your power button access and edit your account info. Next, we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, set screen lock, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, and if your phone meets security requirements. Last things are help and support, send feedback, and access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.